Soft Glam.
Hello everybody. I'm back with another YouTube video. I'm so happy that y'all tuning in for this quick beat, real soft glam, super natural, super quick. You can really do it for any event, any type of outing. And this is super perfect for the summer because it's super lightweight. So let's get into it. I already got my lashes on and I already lined my lips with brown lipstick. But that's just because I be having a problem with my lashes on, so I did not want to mess my makeup up. So of course I have primed my face. I have set it with moisturizing spray. And I let that dry down. So now I'm putting on foundation and I'm using L'Oreal Infallible. Full coverage, lightweight, super warm. It definitely fits my skin well. If I wanted to do just some coverage for like blemishes or anything, this will go perfect with my skin tone. As you guys can see, it blends well with my neck. Really no differentials from my forehead. So I already put it all over the face except for under the eyes. And I didn't do my forehead because of my hairstyle. So now I'm going in with a lighter color foundation, which is shade 488 in L'Oreal Infallible. I'm using light product. And I'm just blending it. I got a real soft, fluffy brush because I want to give an airbrush look today. And I want my makeup to look lightweight. So you can see the concealer has lifted up the side of my face. I'm brightening those areas that I want. I'm not going to do no nose contours today. We're just going for something super soft, super easy, super simple. This gonna last you in the summertime. If you outside, inside, weddings, girls night out. So I'm making sure I get the inner eye corner very good because I want everything to be blended. So makeup is not going everywhere. So wherever I do put makeup, I want it to blend. So now I'm just going in with the excess makeup off my brush on my forehead. I didn't put any extra product on the brush. It's just the leftover product from those two shades mixed together or however. If you need to add more product, use just a little dab. So now I'm just combing out my brows. Those are my natural brows. They're pretty much full. My ends are just not where they need to be. So I just, fill those in however I can. So now I'm trying to blend makeup on the side of my lips. And now we're about to go in and set my under eyes. So I'm using the Maybelline powder. And I'm using a lighter shade 120. Or maybe 105. But I'm going directly under my eye. I'm not going too low. I'm making sure I get on the side of my nose because this is an oily area for me and for most women. So make sure you get on the side of your nose. Pull your nose the opposite way if you have to. The side of your nose the opposite way if you have to get in that crease. And I'm doing the same thing on my upper lip. I'm making sure all my oily areas are set. And then I also want to go super bright when I did my powder, because I really like a bright under eye. You do not have to go this bright if you don't want to, but the method still works the same if you use a darker powder. I'm making sure I press that in very good. I want to stay super matte all day long. And I don't have on much product anyway, so this is gonna really sit it in. We already looking cute. We already looking cute. I'm making sure I get this out the nose. I want to kind of snatch my nose just a little bit. My nose is pretty big, so even though I'm not doing nose contour, I don't want to like a big nose just sitting there. So this is gonna give me like a little blur effect. And now I'm just tapping out the excess powder to blend down into that foundation. Now I'm going in and I'm using the same product and I'm tapping it on my forehead so it can be matte as well, not super oily. Now I'm going to inset my eyelids just because they can be oily and look shiny. And I really didn't want that. Now if you want to add eyeshadow to this look, you can for sure. If you want to add a base color eyeshadow, be sure to do that. This look I wanted to be super quick, super easy, super efficient. Now if you want to do an eyeshadow instead of a powder, that's perfectly fine. Go ahead and do that step. Now I'm going in with the Morphe bronzer, and it's a powder. So I'm going and blending it into how I set my forehead and my highlight, and I'm blending into that. I'm using powder because again we want a matte finish and we want something lightweight. This product is super warm, so I don't have to apply much. And then with my foundation being so close to my shade, I definitely don't have to apply much. So now I'm making sure I blend those two together. I don't want any harsh lines, any patchiness in my makeup. So some light. I got a little depth to my cheeks and a little depth to my forehead. The lace is giving. Everything is blended and matched. So now I'm going in with blush. I love blush. I'm a blush girl. If you don't like blush, you do not have to apply this step to your routine. If you're not a blush girl, you may be an orange girl or a peach girl. Do that. If you want nothing at all, don't worry about it. Just keep going. Just make sure your contour area and your highlight area blend very well. So I'm going right on top of where my contour meets my highlight, and I'm adding blush. I like to add my blush very high. So that's what I'm doing in this step. And I'm using more of like a powder pink blush, so you guys can see the pink popping out on the side of my cheeks. We're looking good. Now I'm gonna set. Let everything settle in. So now I'm just gonna do Maybelline lipstick. Something quick, something easy. My lash kind of coming off right there, but I'm definitely gonna add glue to fix it. So the ombre lip is complete. Now we're gonna add gloss. I'm using a new NYX gloss that I'm just gonna layer on top of my lip combo. Something lightweight, not too much. I got gloss, but I'm not overdoing my gloss. And if you want extra gloss to your lip, which I am a gloss girl and I do love gloss, you can go back in with a clear gloss to make sure you get those edges. And the gloss just adds plumpness. So be sure to incorporate that step if you want more gloss. Clear gloss is your best friend, for real. So the look is really complete. I think I'm going in with the brows next or liner. Let's see. For mascara, I said the wrong thing. I'm not doing liner. Okay, yeah, so brows are next. I'm literally just going in on the tails of my brows and filling it in. Super simple. I'm using a thin brush and I press it together, and I'm using black eyeshadow. So filling my hairs, I feel like the black just matches my hairs more, and it gives it like a realness, a hair realness. So I use black. And different strokes for different folks. Use the eyeshadow that matches your brows the closest. For me, it's black. For most of my clients, it's black. Different skin tones. I mean, if your hair eyebrow color is a different color, then definitely use that color. We want something super natural, so let's do that. So I'm using liquid eyeliner, and I'm dragging it on top of my bottom lashes to give a thicker look to my bottom lashes. Now to put this eyeliner in my eye, and I'm about to mess up my makeup. So please bear with me. Be extra careful if you're doing this step. If you do tend to get the eyeliner on your makeup, let it dry. Let it dry and then come back and try to take it off. So right now I'm trying to get the eyeliner out of my eyeball. Or it'll be a big fiasco. We don't want that. I beat this face. So again, I'm using liquid eyeliner as mascara for my bottom lashes. And I do this method because it just looks thicker than the mascara does to me. It's bolder and then it just dries in place. So you can go on with a few layers if you want to. So I did this eye very good. My other eye, I did not do so good. So this is me trying to clean it off. I'm scraping just a little bit, but I'm making sure I don't scrape the makeup off while I'm trying to scrape off the liner. So be extra careful and make sure the product is dry. So we're coming to the end of the video, you guys. Tell me what you like about this video. Tell me you guys' feedback in this video. Tell me if you'll be doing this routine for the summer, or would you like to make this your everyday routine? Definitely for work. Who doesn't love a 10-20 minute beat? Definitely for the summertime. Super lightweight. Definitely good for girls' night. Especially if you're a girly that gotta do the other girlies' makeup. Cause my friends always want their makeup done. And I always gotta get ready fast. Now I'm giving y'all the tea. Cause I'm always posting a 10-minute beat, 15-minute beat, 5-minute beat. Sometimes you gotta make it do what it do. And I did that. Look at me. The bob is bobbing. Bob wig from Amazon. Install Ayana Hampton on Facebook. She did this install to a T. I was so in love with this classy, sexy bob. And gave very much grown women. And the lace definitely gave. And then my lashes are from Amazon as well. I will be dropping a link to those Amazon items. And then once you click on my link, I will, receive commission. So definitely be sure to go through my link once I drop those in the comments or in the description. So the look is done. I hope y'all love it. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Be on the lookout for more videos. And I love y'all guys. I thank y'all so much for tuning in and subscribing to me. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. The look is giving. The look is definitely giving. Grown woman. That's her. Glam. That's her. Bobbiana. That's her. Bye, y'all.